Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Okay, y'all, so I am all showered and I got my hairpin back, I got my night clothes on, and I just jumped back on this camera because I want to do a skincare routine with you all before I go to bed. Y'all, I managed to get my face clear, and as you can see, it is really glowing. Hopefully this camera is reflecting, but y'all, I do have a skincare routine on my page, but I didn't really talk on it, so I'm just gonna walk y'all through what I do as I do it, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. Okay, I want to first show y'all what cleanser I use. I use Cetaphil. It's just like a real mild cleanser. Cetaphil is just really, I use to just get the dirt and oil off my face. And I'm gonna be using, I already wet it, but just this little, what they call this, like a exfoliating pad. I'm gonna be using this little exfoliating pad, and I literally just wet the pad, put like 2 pumps, 1 or 2 pumps, depending on how hard you push it on there, and I just wash my face in a circular motion. Basically, I think of it as almost kind of giving yourself like a mini facial, because it's just exfoliating the skin, getting any dead skin, dry skin off, and all of that. So basically, you're refreshing your face every night. I don't use this Cetaphil in the daytime, and then I go to sleep at night without doing it. I use this once a day because I don't want my skin to dry out. So I usually try to do this at night, and then in the morning I just wash my face with a hot wet towel. But yep, you see how I'm just going in a circular motion, just removing like any dead skin or whatever like that. Tonight I'm gonna do my full skincare routine, so let me show you what I do next when I'm doing my full one. Okay, so I got my face all set up like that, and I usually take like, I did this recently so I may not have any fine hair on my face, but I take like an eyebrow razor, and I literally just lightly, the soap I just put on, the face wash I just put on, it's like a barrier to my skin so that I won't cut it, but not too rough. I just lightly shave my face. Like I said, it's probably nothing on there due to not too long ago I did this. I don't remember when, but I don't think I'm that hairy. It's been over a week. I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. I feel like I'm looking off. But I always store it right above my lip, because that's where I get the most fine hairs. It's right there around the mustache area. Then I kind of just move everything from the middle outward. Removing that will just give you like a brightening effect, because it's removing like all the fuzz off your face, the dark little fuzzy hair off your face. So after I do that, I'm just gonna rinse my face now. And you can rinse it in the water, but the way I got the camera set up, I can't do that. Or you can get a wet towel and just kind of clean your face and then dry it. And then I go into my next step. I've been using this facial serum, the Collagen and Caffeine. I'm over 30. I try to keep my skin as tight as possible, prevent wrinkles. I will link this in the description. I will link everything I'm using in the description. And I just put drops on my 2 cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and here. When I'm just doing my normal everyday routine, I wash my face. I won't shave it every day, of course, but I wash my face with the exfoliating pad and the Cetaphil. And I usually just take my Derma roller and I just roll my serum in until it's absorbed in my skin. But when I'm doing my full face routine, which, like I said, should be done maybe once a month, I micro needle my face. This will cause some skin redness. This is basically like little tiny fine needles on here. It will help with your skin to keep it from being wrinkled, to have a bunch of benefits, y'all. Y'all can watch my other skincare and I kind of list it on the screen because there's no talking on there, but it has a bunch of benefits. A lot of people go to get a facial and they get the vampire facial, so it's kind of like the same, but it's a do it at home type of thing, so your skin don't bleed like that. You may get some redness, but that'll go away, but your skin will be so flawless. So, and basically with this, you don't really press down on it too much, and you just kind of go with your skin every which way. The serum you put on is another barrier. And it's not really painful. I mean, you can feel it. It's like a little just uncomfortable, but not really painful. As you can see, you go in all different directions on your face. You can see my cheeks are already turning red from it. But y'all, my skin be so pretty. When I was growing up, I used to get breakouts all over my forehead and my chin, and then I used to hate when I get a bump around here. Every blue moon, I still get one, but overall, my skin be clear and it's glowing. So, you don't want to scrape your face, so you just want to glide it in a direction and then pick it up, glide it in another direction. Pick it up, glide it in another direction. And when you're done using this, you just want to like soak it in alcohol and it just kind of disinfect it. I'm just gonna rub the excess serum that's left over into my skin. If I was, like I said, if I was just doing my every night routine, I would have rolled it with this Derma Roller, and then that will complete my skincare. If my face starts to get a little dry, I do use a little coconut oil on my skin, and then the next morning it's fine. Okay, so with my detailed skincare routine, lately I've been using a face mask, and the face mask I've been using is this Santeva's 24 karat gold Dead Sea Mud mask. Y'all, the benefits of this mask is endless. So I'm going to apply this mask to my face, and I incorporated this. Sometimes I use the other mask, just like the mask sheet. But lately I've been using this Santeva, and I'm telling y'all, if y'all look at my videos, look at my skin, it just glows. This luxurious gold facial mask helps lighten the skin pigmentation, giving the skin an amazing glow. It also helps improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and for a woman over 30, I need all of that. Having naturally beautiful skin builds confidence, and you can look your best with or without makeup on. This mask is made up of some amazing ingredients such as niacinamide, papaya, and peppermint, giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Just apply a generous amount onto the skin, over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for about 5 to 20 minutes. Then you will rinse off the mask with either a damp cloth or with water. You may experience a slight tingling, but that's absolutely normal. Y'all, this face mask will leave your skin glowing and full of energy. Y'all see how smooth my skin is? Like, it's red. Like I said, I did the micro needling on it, and I also shaved the fine hair off. But look, this skin is glowing. It's just glowing. Okay, so after I'm done, I'm to the end. I apply a little bit more of my collagen serum on. I got to use my collagen, y'all. I ran out of the one that I put in my smoothies, but yeah, I still use this one for my face. It's getting kind of low, but I put that on, and then I'm going to Derma Roll it. And Derma Roll it, this smooth side, they said that it helps with absorbing it, also wrinkles and all of that. And this rough side, I don't really use it that much, but they said it helps with your pores, to shrink your pores. So after I put my serum on, I pretty much just roll it until it's mostly absorbed into my skin. And as you can see, the serum is pretty much absorbed into my skin. In the morning, it'll probably be a little slightly red, but not as much. But it was going to be glowing. And yeah, that's all I do. I hope y'all enjoy my skincare routine. Try it out. If you're having any problems with your skin, I would recommend you try it out, as long as you're not allergic to any of the products. I'm gonna link everything in the description down below. If the video go up and I don't have all the links, just check back on it, because I'm not gonna use my MacBook to upload. So when I do it from my phone, I just be adding them as it's uploading. Sometimes the video will finish before I'm finished putting all the links. But I want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting me. I mean, hey.